Ito kay init mo ng basuran, murakag kakuyapon. Naay po kami, wala may mga bugas. Basta makakita ko bugas, kaya dalhin ako.
Bugas? Asa makakita bugas?
Basuran.
Di mo ra din yung kaunan.
Oh.
Ako si Stephanie Partosa, 10 years old.
Ako dahil si Mary Grace Grande, na ako'y anak na beneficiary diri sa ENC Fatima.
Ako si Sean Carl Grande, 20 years old, o isa ka scholar sa Archdiocesan Nourishment Center.
Once the seed of faith takes root, it cannot be blown away, even by the strongest wind. And now, that is a blessing. The Archdiocesan Nourishment Center believes that every child, no matter how underprivileged, carries the seed of potential. Through nourishment, education, and unwavering support, we strive to provide the sunlight and water these seeds need to grow.
Usahay nagalisod gyud mi panag sa mahutan mi og kwarta, panag sa wala mi pangpalit og bugas. Pero sukad nagsugod ang ANC PME, nakaapil ako sa feeding program diri sa PME.
At the moment, the construction of ANC PME is still ongoing, but it doesn't hinder us from conducting our feeding programs for the children. But ANC is not just about feeding hungry bodies. We are cultivating minds, nurturing spirits, and empowering lives. Hence, ANC's mission doesn't end with the children. It extends to their mothers and parents as well.
Grade 5 ng anak is member sa BLD Scholar. Sa financial siguro, lisod as in. Kung wala na scholar kung anak college, wala di siya kasi. Ang ANC nagakandak sa mga parents ng mga training or napoy sila mga talk regarding sa mga pagkuhan sa family, pag-handle sa pamilya.
By supporting and uplifting the very roots of these families, we help create an environment where hope flourishes, resilience grows, and entire households are transformed.
Hi, I'm Carissa. I'm from the Dayao Center. We have been coming to ANC Fatima for the past 2 years. So we have been coming here to give talks on virtues. And at the same time, we also have activities like cooking, crafts. It makes us all joyful to share what we know with them. So really, we see the need to form the mothers. Because if we form the mothers, we form the family.
Like a tree whose roots grow deep to anchor it through storms, we aim to provide a strong foundation for children, grounded in love, dignity, and faith. Moreover, we continue to believe that knowledge is the sunlight that helps dreams grow, making education another vital part of our mission. Through the ANC Scholars Program, we place great importance on the education of our children, opening doors to a brighter future.
Actually, plan kong mag-stop og college kay gipit yun financially na dili yun makaya sa kung magpapa nga magpaskwilas ko. Ang akong mama is isa lang ka housewife, nagabantay sa akong mga igsoon, sa akong tulo ka manghod. Niya akong papa is truck driver helper lang, which is iyahang monthly salary is dili jud enough para sa mga mag-igsoon. So hinaot tungod sa ANC, Tagahan ko lang opportunity kay para makapadayon sa akong pag-eskwela. Di na ako magunauna sa akong tuition, sa akong gastusan sa examination sa eskwelahan. Ang akong pangandoy lang sa kinabuhi kay sa makahuman og eskwela, maka-income og tarong-tarong aron makatabang sa akong mamagpapa. Makabawi ko silang nakahago sa kuha sa ilang katapoy, ilang mga kahago nga gibuhat para sa kuha.
These scholars are not just students. They are symbols of potential and perseverance, embodying the hope and determination of our mission. At ANC, we strive not to simply offer temporary aid. We invest in the lifelong growth of those we serve.
Hi there! We are standing at the ongoing construction site of the ANC Dam site, or maybe known now as Mother of Mercy. And under the scorching heat, despite the dusty roads, the kids here, the beneficiaries here, continue to endure these challenges and are patiently waiting for the ongoing feeding program of the day. And I guess, my dear friends, guests, benefactors, and all those watching right now, we have seen the efforts of the Archdiocesan Nourishment Center. We also have seen the purpose of ANC, and above all, we have seen the struggles of our children, our minority communities. Isn't it time to ask ourselves, what are we willing to do? Isn't it time to pair our seeing with some acting?
Bukas makalawa, makahuman ko sa pag-eskwela.
Bukas makalawa, sana bukas makawala sa pasanin, binuhat mag-isa.
Because, my dear friends, we are not merely spectators. We are also actors. Actors of good works, good deeds, and God's unwavering compassion. Maong, with our collective efforts, sabay-sabay tang manghinaot, nga ugma apuhon o bukas makalawa. Sana bukas makawala sa pasaning buhat mag-isa ng mga bata. Bukas makalawa o ugma apuhon, kita, silang tanan, makalingkawas gihapon. With one vision, one community, ug para sa among mga pangandoy.
Abante ANC!
Abante ANC! Woo!
Binuhat mag-isa.
Ugma po, hindi naman po ni pagkaon.